Looking to shed those extra pounds without starving yourself? Dive into our in-depth review of the Smoothie Diet by Dr. Sgoutas and discover how this revolutionary program can help you achieve your weight loss goals effortlessly. Smoothies are more than just delicious treats. They can be powerful tools for weight loss when used correctly. However, not all smoothie recipes are created equal. Dr. Sgoutas has developed a unique approach to harnessing the benefits of smoothies for rapid and sustainable weight loss. In this comprehensive review, we delve into the nitty-gritty of the smoothie diet, exploring its core principles, effectiveness, and unique features. With a focus on simplicity and practicality, this program guides you through a 21-day journey towards a healthier, slimmer you. Discover how the smoothie diet works to reset your body, eliminate toxins, and jumpstart your weight loss journey. With a carefully curated selection of delicious smoothie recipes, weekly shopping lists, and step-by-step guides, this program takes the guesswork out of healthy eating. Learn about the program's creator, Dr. Sgoutas, and his evidence-based approach to weight loss. Backed by years of experience as a health coach and extensive research, the Smoothie Diet offers a proven path to success. Explore the unique components of the Smoothie Diet package, including the 21-day weight loss program, recipe book, shopping lists, and detox plan. With everything available in digital format, you can embark on your weight loss journey anytime, anywhere. Uncover the benefits of the Smoothie Diet beyond weight loss, including improved skin and hair health, reduced risk of chronic illness, and increased energy levels. Plus, learn about the program's 60-day money-back guarantee, ensuring your satisfaction and peace of mind. Discover why the Smoothie Diet stands out from other weight loss programs on the market, with its easy-to-follow instructions, delicious recipes, and proven results. Say goodbye to fad diets and restrictive eating. The Smoothie Diet offers a sustainable approach to long-term weight management. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your body and health with the Smoothie Diet. Start your journey today and unlock the secrets to a slimmer, healthier you. Click below to learn more and start your Smoothie Diet journey now.